our souls book. He's coming.
Not Zara made this audio, bitches.
Yeah. What the fuck? Gave me the fucking it was immaculate. I just got a Glock with you. Man, Chris got the bitches, no cap, that is accurate. Gucci my body, I look for extravagant. I'm slamming that book for the chill out, what's happening? I came for the bitches, I'm looking for average. I like me a jam, I'm bigger than half of you. Not tryna fuck, I'm sorry, bitch, you gotta go. And I'm not getting sloppy, shorty hit the dough. And that Glock in the way, that go do the walk. Young Chris is so like medicine, take KX and kinda like the herb. But y'all niggas is dumb, I don't know if I feel you. Fly to the top, then my bro gonna deal with me. If I got a problem, I call him my shooter. Don't underestimate that nigga will kill me. That wasn't the guy that he gon' find the real you. Extortion your crib, I ain't gonna steal you. I'm bomb ass nigga with no fucking money. I get to the green, nigga like some milk. Nigga, I'm humming, bitch, I'm with the gang, so you know how I'm coming. Oh shit, I'm with the blood, you know how I'm bumming. That got 47, that bitch order.
This interruption to the song is to tell you that none of you niggas are fucking with young Chris.
I got my young niggas with me, pull up to the crib and she back for the book. I'ma grab on the stomach and she got a titty. Got a hoe in the telly, yeah, we get it. I'ma get to the money, nigga, I'ma calculate. I told her to beat it, nigga, no we jacket. I got a black nigga with an action game. Bitch, I be ballin', nigga, check the action. Why down right now, give me your money. Young Chris, bro, nigga, you was funny. Slamming a plug, nigga, for the dummy. And you not a thug, nigga, you a punk. I'm off for the drugs, missing out my tummy. And I'm off for the drugs, even when it's sunny. You pull out that gun, nigga, for the money. And you finna run, nigga, you a dummy. Young Chris and that bitch, Chris and that bitch, young Chris and that bitch, Chris and that bitch, young Chris and that bitch, Chris and that bitch, young Chris and that bitch.